Hey guys, it's your final week of your probability unit, and it is also your final week of school before spring break. I know that you are excited. I am too. So let's get started on what you've got to get done this week so that you can finish up and enjoy that break that you have earned. All right, this week I am having two virtual classes. One will be Monday, and it's just going to be a pop-in. I'm not planning on teaching a lesson, but I am available if you have any last-minute questions before your test. If you are confused about something, if you're looking for something in a learning path, if you just have a question about a problem that you want me to go over, anything like that. So call in and ask any question that you have. On Wednesday at 11, I plan on focusing our lesson all on slope. So as you're finishing up those last steps in your slope learning path, we will focus on that on our Wednesday class. Your pacing for this week, Monday, again, I've got my virtual pop-in class. I'm suggesting that you go ahead and take your probability summative on Monday. Don't forget that you'll submit your work afterwards. Tuesday through Friday, then, you have the entire rest of the week to work on your slope learning path. I know that many of you have made really good progress on that, and you may be very close to finish, and others of you are needing some extra time. So use this week to get that finished. And then Wednesday, you are welcome to call in. I'm planning on doing a lesson on slope. All right, and that is it for your week. Your test is in its learning. It will be timed, and you will have 90 minutes. So I do have a couple of reminders for you. Make sure that you've got paper, pencil, calculator ready to go. Make sure that you're keeping your show your work paper neat and organized by numbering your problems, and you will have to submit it just like you do for every other summative, okay? Again, it's 90 minutes long. If you have any problems while you're taking it, let me know. I will be monitoring its learning closely this week, definitely on Monday while you are taking your test, okay? So, all right, good luck. I hope you have a great week, and we'll talk on Monday. Bye.